Studying a foundation degree at Coleg Gwent was a really simple step for me because I already knew where I was going, it worked alongside my job and I got financial help. My name is Courtney.
My name's Courtney Jones.
I'm Laura Young and I'm studying the foundation degree of childhood studies at Coleg Gwent. Because it was closer to home so I didn't have to pay so much for obviously transport back and forth. And then it's obviously a cheaper tuition and I get grants and bursaries and tuition fees and help.
I didn't have enough time to move away, go to uni with a full-time job alongside. It was really easy to just sign it and go that one day where I already know where I'm going and know who I'm going to see.
I think I was more comfortable in this environment. Like some of my friends from the course previous joined with me and we was already comfortable with the tutors.
Yeah, I would advise people to come to university at Coleg Gwent. There's a lot going on, but there's a lot more fun, and I think being able to be supported by amazing tutors as well, that's just a bonus. You get a lot more support than I think you would at university level. What did I say? What was the question?
You've almost got it. One more time. This is your last question.
Say it again.